want to thank you for joining us here at MODEX 2020. Going to spend a few moments talking with you about this subject here. Again, it's connecting DC assets for reliability and uptime improvements. Some fascinating stuff here. You may call it Industry 4.0. Maybe you refer to it as digital transformation, but many material handling companies recognize the need to make a fundamental shift in the way in which they are running their distribution and fulfillment operations, right? Well, while 70% of material handling executives do consider Industry 4.0 to be a top priority, the truth is that up to 80% of businesses are unable to accurately estimate their downtime rates. And these costs are underestimated by 200 to 300%. Ouch, right? So within the context of hyper-competitive e-commerce, the pressure to advance to the next level of reliability and uptime is relentless. And it starts with connecting the full range of material handling assets from conveyors and sortation equipment to ASRS, palletizers, and robots via the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, as it's known. So consider a 2010 Department of Energy study that was about predictive maintenance programs being able to deliver a 10-to-1 return on investment for operations, maintenance, and energy professionals. Many of that study's key findings would appeal to today's DC operators with 25 to 30% reductions in maintenance costs, reducing equipment breakdowns by 70 to 75%, a 35 to 40% decrease in downtime, and a 20 to 25% increase in production. Pretty good, right? Connectivity delivers both immediate and long-term operational benefits, including increased uptime, boosted productivity and throughput, fewer breakdowns, lower handling costs, better asset management, and greater flexibility and resilience. But the challenge of connecting thousands of DC assets can be a little overwhelming, right? I mean, how are you supposed to develop a connected strategy that delivers both transformative benefits in the short term and long-term scalability? Well, at Honeywell Intelligrated, we actually have created a connected strategy that's engineered to guide companies along this path of digital transformation. It's something we've cleverly called connected assets, right? So first, we try to tap into machine control system data, just so we can gain greater visibility into equipment status and key performance indicators, KPIs, what we're talking about. Now that's a critical first step because it allows you to leverage data that's often overlooked and underutilized. And this data is continually aggregated and parsed to deliver only the information that really matters the most. So we're talking about historical trends and actionable insights. As an example, analyses of control system data can help DC operators to evaluate read rates, throughput, and flow balance through merges and frequent conveyor jams, just one example. So this control system data is linked to software with alarm management capabilities to give DC operators access to real-time dashboards and the option to receive notifications whenever key issues happen to arise. Well, that can help you formalize an escalation process and protocol and uncover repetitive problems that could potentially be predicted and even prevented. Next, by adding sensors to equipment motors, DC operators can achieve even greater insights, including the ability to identify trends and predict equipment and system failures, again, before they occur. The addition of vibration, temperature, and electrical current data, combined with smart analytics software and machine learning algorithms, will actually allow the software to detect and track deviations from performance baselines. Alarms will be generated only when parameters exceed defined thresholds, of course, and will trigger that escalation procedure to ensure issues are going to be identified and addressed in a very timely manner. Now, all of this may sound like a pipe dream, a future state, but it's becoming more essential. There's a generation of experienced technicians out there that are about to retire soon. Veteran technicians who can hear if a bearing is failing. They can see indications of a misaligned belt or maybe feel if a motor is overheating. Their skill set is going to be retiring with them, their insights, right? Now that's a major concern, I think, especially when you consider today's very shortage of skilled labor today. Well, the solution? Connected assets. It gives your maintenance team the digital equivalent of an experienced technician, helping them to quickly identify issues and make repairs and avert equipment failure and unplanned downtime. It's a beautiful thing. By linking analytical insights to fulfillment technologies through our IIoT platform, operators can automate the find and fix process from issue detection all the way to resolution. So to help you achieve the successful and scalable predictive maintenance model, we can actually integrate connected assets with these key enabling technologies right here. Computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, voice-directed maintenance and inspection technology, and finally augmented reality smart glasses for live troubleshooting, right? So why not step inside? We can actually show you a demonstration of how connected assets can actually work for you. You are invited.